Are you just gonna sit there or ask a girl to dance?
AI generated by VO3. Nothing is real anymore.
This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might. And she commands your awe with every breaking light.
Try these new painkillers. They help a lot.
Please consider rescuing a dog today. 12 colors for every occasion.
Check out this new G-Max gaming mouse.
Please donate to libraries. Keep them open. Do you think we are in VO3?
If you cannot tell, does it matter?
So I went to the zoo the other day, and all they had was one dog. It was a Shih Tzu.
She's going under! By Thor's beard! Hold fast, men! Brace yourselves!